Hi students, welcome again. So today also you are going to learn about perimeter of a regular shape. So in the last class you have learned two regular shapes of a perimeter. So what are they? The perimeter of rectangle. So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Okay na? So what is the perimeter of a square? Square is 4 sides, that is 4 into side. Okay, not only that, some more regular shapes today you are going to learn. So what are the remaining plain figures? So that is triangle. Okay, so triangle. So what is mean by triangle? So tri means 3. Angles means 3 sides. It is made up of 3 line segments. Nothing but 3 sides. It has 3 sides. These all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Then each side is equal to the other two sides. So that means all the sides are equal. We can say that it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, a triangle having three sides equal. What we can say that? We can say that such type of triangle is called an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So it has three sides. That is triangle ABC. Okay, it is a triangle ABC. It has three sides. Now the perimeter of this equilateral triangle is formula is sum of the lengths of three sides or all sides. Suppose if you want to find the perimeter of triangle, equilateral triangle, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. What is the perimeter of that equilateral triangle? Sum of the lengths of all sides. The sum of the lengths of three sides. So 3 sides length, AB length plus BC length, CA length. AB length is 3 centimeters, BC length 3 centimeters and CA length 3 centimeters. Then total 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 centimeters. This is the perimeter of for an equilateral triangle. So triangle perimeter is sum of lengths of three sides. Sum of lengths of three sides. Okay, not only that, we can say that it is a it has a least number of sides in the polygons. Polygons means many sides. Poly means many. Gons means sides. Many sides. A triangle has three sides. More than three sides means, so those are rectangle, four sides. Square has four sides. Okay, and different figures are there. That is a parallelogram, rhombus. These all are having the four sides. If any figure having four sides or four line segment, we can call that quadrilaterals. What we can call quadrilateral. Any figure has made up of four line segments or any figure having four sides, we can call that quadrilaterals. Already you have learned formulas for the perimeter of the rectangle and square. And if more than 4, so that means if 5 sides means we can call that pentagon. Pentagon. In the 5th chapter you learned in understanding elementary shapes. Is it? Yes. So you have learned if any figure having 5 sides, we can call that pentagon. The pentagon means the shape is, so it has 5 sides. See, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it has 5 sides. Okay, so 5 sides. What is the perimeter of this of this pentagon. If 6 sides, what we can call hexagon. 6 sides means hexagon. Perimeter means 6 into sides. 7 sides means heptagon. Heptagon. So perimeter means 7 into side. 8 sides octagon. 8 into side is the perimeter. Nanogon, that is 9 into side. Decagon, 10 into side. So these all are the perimeters. Perimeter of the polygons. Okay. Now this triangle, rectangle, equilateral triangle, square, okay, pentagon. These all are the regular shapes. These all are made up of line segments. We can say that these all are the regular shapes. And remember once again, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side or sum of lengths of 3 sides. Perimeter of a pentagon means 5 into side. Okay, children? Is it clear? So today we learn about the perimeter of regular shapes. Right. Now, okay, so take your textbook here in the page number 211. Try these problems are there. Find various objects from your surroundings which have regular shapes and find their perimeters. So if you see in your house or your surrounding areas, some figures or objects are there. Those are regular shapes. Okay. So how to find the perimeter of regular shapes? So that each and every object of length, every object of perimeter, you have to find. So if you see in the classroom, you will see the tape, the green board. Okay, board, not only the board, and next switchboard, your bench. Okay. So these all are you will see in the classroom. So at your home, many objects are there. Okay. So which are regular shapes? So that shapes of perimeter you have to find. So you have to measure that length and finally, so add that all the lengths of figure. Okay. So write each and everything of perimeter. Okay. This one I am giving to you homework. So try this problem in the page number 211, question number 1. So that try this problem, question you have to solve. Right. Some more example problems are also here. Say example 6, 8, 9. So these are problems also you have to practice yourself. Okay. Practice, compulsory how to practice. That is example 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all problems you have to practice. Very good. Next, today, okay, we will enter into the exercise 10.1. Now, take your textbooks and notebooks. So, keep heading exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. Very easy, na? Very easy chapter. So if you know the formulas for perimeter of regular shapes, you can find easily, you can solve any problem easily. Right. First question, see, find the perimeter of each of the following figures. Right. So first question, so write down in your notebook, find the perimeter of each of the following figures. So first figure is, so different shapes of figures here are given, but these all are made up of line segments. Okay, so each side is different length, 2 centimeters, 1 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 450 meters. So we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Okay, so now I am giving name to this figure A, B, C, D. Okay, if you write the name, you can add all the lengths. Now, perimeter is equal to, so write the first each length, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, order is important. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Length of AB is 2 centimeters. Length of BC is 1 centimeter. Length of CD is 5 centimeters and length of DA is 4 centimeters. Now add all the lengths. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 4, 12 centimeters. What is the perimeter of this figure? 12 centimeter. Similarly, see the second problem. So that is each and every figure you have to draw neatly. So here 23 centimeters, 35 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 35 centimeters. Okay. Now here also give the name A, B, C, D. So not only give always the A, B, C, D. You can use any letter. Okay. So but here we are regularly using A, B, C, D letters. So now I am taking A, B, C, D. If you want, you can take P, Q, R, S. Okay, K, L, M, N, like that also. Now write perimeter. Perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So length of AB is 23 centimeters, BC is 35 centimeters plus CD is 40 centimeters and next to DA is 35 centimeters. Now add all these 23, 35, 40, 35. Okay, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Next 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So, here what is the perimeter of this? 133 centimeters. 133 centimeters. Next to draw C, D. Okay, C and D you solve. Okay, I am giving to you that one homework. C, D. In exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. First question C and D. In the question number 1, CD problems you have to do. You have to solve. Right. And next E problem also C. E is there. C, D, F. Next F problem. Okay, the first question F problem. Hastic symbol, swastik symbol. Right. So here, so draw neatly this symbol. Okay, so each length he has mentioned here, that is 1 centimeter, here 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, here 1 centimeter, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, here 2 centimeters, again 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 1 centimeter, again 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay, so how can we add this all? Okay, first we give the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R S T. Okay. So if you mention the names, then it is easy to add. So otherwise you will confuse. Right. Okay, children. Now, right? Perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, first write all the names properly, that is AB, okay, next plus BC plus CD plus next DE, next EF, FG plus FG after GH, HI plus IJ plus JK, next plus KL plus LM plus LM after MI, next MI, next NO, HJI after what more? LM, sorry, MN here, LM after MN, next NO, next OP, PQ plus QR plus RS plus ST after plus TA. Okay, write each length of how much it contains. Now write AB length is 1 centimeter. Length is units are very important. Remember. So AB length is 1 centimeter. BC next. BC is 3 centimeters. Next CD 2 centimeters. Next DE 3 centimeters. EF 4 centimeters. FG 1 centimeter plus GH 3 centimeters, HI 2 centimeters, IJ 3 centimeters, JK 4 centimeters, next KL 1 centimeter, LM 3 centimeters, MN 2 centimeters, NO 3 centimeters, OP 4 centimeters, PQ 1 centimeter, QR 3 centimeters, RS 2 centimeters, ST. ST length is how much? I didn't write there. 3 centimeters. So this length is 3 centimeters. Sorry, right. 3 centimeters. Next, TA 4 centimeters. Okay. Now add this all. 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 4 30 30 plus 1 14 14 plus 3 17 17 plus 2 19 19 plus 3 22 22 plus 4 26 26 plus 1 27 27 plus 3 30 30 plus 2 32 32 plus 3 35 35 plus 4 39 plus 1 40 plus 3 43 plus 2 45 45 plus 3 48 48 plus 4 is equal to 52 centimeters. Now what is the perimeter of this shape? Total perimeter is 52 centimeters. Right. Okay. Next to see F problem. So F problem is, if you see the arrow, so we have to measure the perimeter of this arrow. Okay, na children? So this one also we have to draw neatly. So with the pencil, use ruler. Okay. Now I am drawing this one. See, you have to draw neatly in your notebook. Right. So here the lengths are given in the decimal. Okay. So this length is 1 centimeter, and this total length is 4 centimeters, and this length is also 4 centimeters, and this width is 0.5 centimeters. This width 0.5 centimeter, and this length is 2.5 centimeters, and this length 2.5 centimeters. So here also we have to find the perimeter of this arrow. Right, here solution for this perimeter is equal to. So here also write the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Right, first AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GA. What is the length of AB? AB length is 4 centimeters. BC length 0.5 centimeters. CD length 2.5 centimeters. EF length, so CD 2.5. Next DE 2.5 centimeter. EF 0.5 centimeters. FG length is 4 centimeters, and GA length is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Now add this first. So don't add first decimals. First whole number parts you add 4. So write this all on order. 4 centimeter. Next 4 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. Next all the decimal values you write once. 0.5, 2.5, 2.5 centimeters plus 0.5 centimeters. Now add 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, that part is equal to 9. Next to add the decimal numbers. 0.5, 2.5, 2.5, 0.5. Total. So this is 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 5, 15. Plus 5, 20. Okay. Again, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So what is the value? 6. 9 plus 6, how much? 15 centimeters. Now tell me what is the perimeter of this arrow? 15 centimeters. Okay, na children? Right. So up to now you have seen perimeter of different shapes. You have found the different shapes of perimeter. Okay, right. Students, today I want to give the homework, that is try these problems 211 page question number 1 and practice example 6 to 9 problems, and in exercise 10.1 solve for C and D problems. These figures you have to draw neatly in your notebook. Okay na? Right. So every day you have to practice all the problems. Still if you have any doubts, join in the Zoom interaction. Okay, so you have to send your homework in the Google form only. Okay children, bye.